Hello, 5th grade. This is Miss Reeser here. Today, your assignment is Lesson 2. And in Lesson 2, you're learning about introductory words. So, introductory words are words that come at the beginning of something. When you introduce yourself to someone, you usually do that at the beginning of your conversation. Your pastor probably has an introduction at the beginning of his sermon on Sunday. And even paragraphs have introductions, and we call those topic sentences. A topic sentence introduces the paragraph and tells what the paragraph is going to be about. And sentences also can have introductory words. And we're going to learn about two kinds of introductory words today. These are words that introduce sentences. They don't function along with the rest of the sentence, but they're simply used to introduce the sentence. Okay? So the first kind of introductory words are interjections. Interjections, as we've learned before, are words that come at the beginning of the sentence and show sudden or strong feeling. Okay? So in this sentence, yes, I did wear this sweater. Yes is my interjection. Okay? It's coming at the beginning and it's introducing my sentence. Now, you have to be careful with interjections because sometimes interjections can also be used as adverbs. Let's look at the next two sentences. Why would you do that? And why it has lots of character. So one of these sentences, the first word is used as an adverb, and one of these sentences, the first word is used as an interjection. And I'll give you a few seconds here to decide which one it is. And if you guess the second sentence, you are correct, okay? The why in the second sentence is my interjection. The why in my first sentence here is actually used as an adverb, okay? So why in the first sentence is not an interjection, it's not an introductory word. But in the second sentence, it is an interjection, okay? And the second kind of introductory words is nouns of direct address. Okay, nouns of direct address. We've also learned about these. And a noun of direct address is the name of the person that you are speaking to. Okay, so when you name the person that you're speaking to, that's called the noun of direct address. And the example here, Trudy, you won the ugly sweater contest. Oops, I forgot my T here. Right, Trudy, you won the ugly sweater contest. So the person I'm speaking to is Trudy. And so that is my noun of direct address, okay? So interjections and nouns of direct address are what we call introductory words because they come at the beginning of the sentence and they're what we call grammatically disconnected. And what that just means is that they don't fit in with the rest of the sentence. They don't have a real function with the rest of the sentence, but they just introduce what the sentence has to say, okay? And you're also learning how to diagram introductory words. So let me erase the board here. And we will diagram these. Interjections and nouns of direct address are both diagrammed the same way, okay? So I'm going to lay this down and right here. Okay, so remember when you're diagramming, always find your subject and verb first. So my subject is I. My verb is did wear. So I'm going to diagram those right away. Remember that your subject and your verb are like the foundation of your sentence. So when you're diagramming, you always do those first. Okay, so what is my introductory word? In this sentence, it is yes. Okay, yes is my interjection. So I'm going to put yes on its own separate line. Because remember, interjections are not grammatically connected. They don't function with the rest of the sentence. So they are diagrammed by themselves. Okay? Let's look at another one here. Okay, so Trudy, you won the contest. My subject and verb. You is my subject. Won is my verb. So I'm going to go ahead and diagram that. And Trudy is my introductory word. That's my noun of direct address. So since that's not functioning with the rest of the sentence, I'm going to put it on its own line. Okay? So interjections and nouns of direct address go in their own line since they're not connected with the rest of the sentence. And also something else that you should notice, they are also separated from the rest of the sentence with a comma. Okay, so we put commas after interjections, and we also put commas after nouns of direct address. All right, so that is your lesson 2 on introductory words, 5th grade. I hope you have a great day.